Hi, LA2 students, Miss Hancock again. So at this point, we are done reading of Mice and Men, but I kind of want to just keep in touch with you, those of you who are virtual or quarantined or absent for one reason or another, and let you kind of know where we're going from here. So at this point, all of your of Mice and Men pages should be done and turned in. If they are not, please get on that quickly. This week we are going to talk about an essay for Of Mice and Men. So the first thing I want you to do is make sure that you do the Baroness, I think it's actually called the Baron's Wife. Yeah, do the Baron's Wife assignment. This is going to ask you to read a short story in which somebody will die, and you're going to determine who you think is at fault for this character's death. And you're going to rank people and think about your different rankings and things of that nature. Typically, if you're in class, we then have you talk to students around you to see if you ranked the characters the same, and usually students do not. Some people feel very strongly that one character is guilty, while somebody else might feel like that same character is not guilty. And I want you to think about how, depending on your perspective and your background and all of that, can change who you feel is at fault for certain situations. For example, let's say you have a sibling and you guys are messing around in the house and you break the TV. You might blame the person whose idea it was to play the game that broke the TV, or you might blame the person whose foot went through the TV, or you might blame the person who pushed the person who went through the TV. It just kind of depends on your perspective. We're going to take that idea after you do the Baron's Wife activity, and we're going to apply that to Of Mice and Men. So one of our major deaths is Curly's wife, and you are going to write an essay as to who you think is at fault for Curly's wife's death. Now, you can choose any of the following characters. This is all written down for you in the assignment, but you can choose to blame Lenny, who actually was the one with his hands on her. You can choose to blame Curly's wife, for whatever reasons you have there, her being in the barn, all of the background with that. You can choose to blame George, who did nothing about Lenny. You can choose to blame Curly, who maybe pushed his wife to be there. You get to choose one and only one character to blame. And you're going to write an essay doing that. So there's an outline in the assignment. There's actually 2 different possible outlines to help you with that. And you're going to spend this week and the weekend if you need it, and next Tuesday writing it. So your goal is to have it done and written and turned in by Tuesday the 13th. Okay, there will be no new assignment on that Tuesday, so you'll have technically that Tuesday to work on it as well. Then I will keep it for a week or so and be grading it, and you will get it back and you will do some revision on it. We really focus on revision in LA2, so you will see your papers 2 times in order to make sure that you're really improving your writing skills. In class, we will be watching the movie Of Mice and Men. So for those of you, virtual and at home who are mostly watching this video, I'm not sure exactly what you will have to do kind of during that week when we're watching the video, but we'll come up with something, maybe some YouTube clips of different references or something that you can watch. So that will be next week. The other thing to keep in mind for this week is that Vocab 3 is due on Friday, and we will also have your Vocab 3 test on Friday. So most of the week is essay time, but you will have to turn in Vocab 3 and complete your Vocab 3 quiz. Okay? If you have any questions at all, please email me, or you can call the school. The number is 456-4311. I am extension 2146. I'm pretty good about getting back via email as well. Whatever you need, let me know, but hopefully it's all laid out for you. And I think I'm going to try to keep up with like little weekly videos like this to make sure that you're staying on track. So have a great week. Let me know if you need anything.